If you are using software that seems suitable at the time, but is now unsuitable to your business needs, it might be time for a change. Data from multiple platforms, double data entry, failing audits, too many manual processes, extensive rework and waste. If your day-to-day processes become based on workarounds and your software systems have become too complex, negatively impacting your staff, customers, and revenues, it might be time for a change. It's time to stop being so accommodating to your old antiquated software and get one MES QMS platform that has all the data in one place, making it easier to manage and get better metrics on how to best manage the business. Better data equals better reporting, which is what every business needs. Bad software equals lost time, and worse, lost revenue. So if your current software is causing more problems than solutions, why continue to settle for old technology that's just barely good enough? Introducing the configurable and extensible solution, Bluestreak. Bluestreak offers an affordable, modern, browser-based solution along with an industry-leading tool set that can take your business to the next level, giving you the visibility and control you desperately need. A collaborative manufacturing, execution, and quality management system built into one software solution. Bluestreak offers customers add-on modules to improve quality performance, traceability, and accountability from front office to shop floor. Depending on priorities and budget, your business foray into Bluestreak can start small and grow into our full module suite. For mid-size shops, our module software structure is a big benefit. Your shop can pick the modules that fit its needs at the right time with the right mix of modules based on specific requirements. As your company grows, your software investment can grow to provide additional capabilities. Because Bluestreak is 100% browser-based, you can utilize Bluestreak on the Apple iPad, iPhone, Android equivalent tablets and phones and Windows tablets like the Microsoft Surface. It will even work on your Nook or Kindle ebook. Access your enterprise system anytime you want, from anywhere you have an internet connection, and from any device you have in your hand. Imagine sitting at the airport waiting for your flight and logging into your Bluestreak portal to retrieve real-time status on your customer's rush order. Where are the parts on the shop floor? Is the order on schedule and on the trucks for delivery? Why not send the invoice to your customer? Now that's convenience. Replacing a paper-based quality management system with Bluestreak's automated quality management system will have enormous impact on your ability to comply and control the costs of your quality certifications and audits. That's because the cost of poor quality is high. Why? It's like an iceberg. There's a lot more to it than what meets the eye. Bluestreak's integrated quality management system ties quality control and quality assurance directly to individual work centers and processing steps on the production floor. It virtually eliminates rework by linking work order processing steps to prime specification requirements such as NADCAP, ISO, API, ASTS, MEDCRED, ITAR, and more. Stop struggling to operate efficiently because data is scattered across the organization and critical processes are disconnected. Go paperless and tie all business policies, best practices, and operations throughout company-wide departments, front office, shipping, training, maintenance, and accounting, together in one accessible, centralized digital system with Bluestreak. The goal of Success Support is to help you implement Bluestreak. Commit to the time-tested process that trains you to use it effectively and efficiently. This success formula is predictable, repeatable, and simple to understand. But it's a process, and it requires initiative, dedication, and a get-it-done mindset. Bluestreak's proven success support implementation methodology ensures a quick and painless implementation and personalized training and mentoring, and a complete library of training videos available 24/7 on each of the many individual functions within Bluestreak.
Part of the help system within Bluestreak. If you go Setup, next to the headers, you'll see little question marks. Related help articles, videos, those under communication, those under financial, lists, risk analysis, quality, system. Just click the link. It'll take you to our full help document.
Using the Bluestreak platform can take your business to the next level of production, execution control, quality management, and real-time metrics for the most effective order processing and business decision-making. Bluestreak has remained on the cutting edge of technology advances for years and is utilized by some of the best and largest global corporations across the world while interfacing with existing systems for better production visibility and cross-departmental collaboration. See Bluestreak in action by contacting us for a personalized demonstration, an MES fact sheet, or to download our software comparison sheet. We can also connect you to other Bluestreak customers in your geographical area to hear what they have to say.